it is something which cannot be mapped with the physicality. Suppose this is a person, so what we normally perceive as the person, this is the physicality, physical dimension of that person. You can feel it within yourself. Related to this physicality, there is some metaphysical, entity. You can call it as the mind or the brain or the soul or whatever you can say to it, but there exists something metaphysical entity which in coordination with the brain is responsible for whatever you do in life, you achieve in life, and ultimately it can be very related to the mind-brain system. So certainly we can say that the mind-brain system is itself the combination of the brain, which covers the physical dimension, and the mind, which covers the metaphysical dimension, and both of these are controlled by the time. So you can say that time is the driving force which is keeping everything in motion, maybe physical or metaphysical. It controls everything. So from a discussion right now, you must have realized that time has got very deep roots. It's the fundamental entity which is controlling everything. So if we assume that fundamental entity which is causing everything to move, which is controlling everything, which is the ultimate deciding factor from where you get everything, so it's very possible to understand times in physical interpretations, in terms of something that we can relate to our daily life. So this was a brief discussion regarding does time has a physical existence. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any suggestion or any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.